Hello and welcome back to our new video, and in this video I'll show you how to manage your Wi-Fi router from your phone. For that you simply need to find your IP address. If you are using your iPhone, go to your settings and go on this Wi-Fi and tap on this I button and scroll down. You will see IP address and just simply copy that and go to your search browser and enter that IP address and search for it. And you need to you simply need to paste your IP address there, and you need to go on your first link, and there you need to access the login page. And after logging in you can simply manage your Wi-Fi router from your phone. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss out any updates from our channel. And also don't forget to like this video. Thank you for watching.